Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Laratips. And if you are new here, I'm glad you found your way in. Today I'm starting something a little different and honestly, a lot more exciting. We are building a to-do app. But wait, before you click away thinking another boring to-do app tutorial, hold up, because this is not just a simple to-do app. This project is going to be our sandbox for exploring real-world Laravel concepts, the kind of stuff you'd actually use in production. And I'm not talking about forms and validation. I'm talking about caching, scheduled tasks like Cron Jobs, Queue jobs. While using the caching, we'll make the dashboard of our product blazingly fast so that it loads in milliseconds. In the scheduled tasks or cron job will automatically notify the users about the upcoming task. So even if they forget, Laravel scheduler won't. And in the queue job, we'll send emails, process reminders and more all in the background. And we'll track it all using Laravel Horizon, a beautiful dashboard built right into the Laravel ecosystem. But that's not all. We are also going to deploy this app to the real world. Yes, production. We'll use Cloudways, a managed web hosting platform that makes deploying Laravel a breeze. And thank you Cloudways for sponsoring this whole series. And here is also another cool part. We are not just throwing all the code directly into the production. In one lesson of this series, we'll use Cloudways staging environment to test a new feature before it hits the live server. So no more oops I broke it moment in the production. So whether you are a beginner trying to learn Laravel or someone who already knows the basic and wants to level up, this series is going to be packed with value. By the end of it, you won't just have a to-do app, but you'll have a complete production-ready Laravel project equipped with queues, caching, cron job, deployment, staging, monitoring, everything. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video if you are excited and let's get building. Trust me, you are gonna love this ride. Alright, I'll see you in the next video where we kick things off by setting up the Laravel project and getting it ready for development. Have a great day. Bye.